Currently, the altitude is 185 meters. In this experiment, we're going to put the sensor drone inside a Ziploc bag. We're going to pump the air inside the plastic bag and see what effect it has on altitude and pressure sensors. Will it increase pressure around the sensors and decrease the altitude reading? We're going to pump the air out of the plastic bag and see the effect on altitude and pressure sensors again. Will this increase the altitude? The phone is connected to this sensor drone. We can see that by blocking the light view of the sensor drone. Right now the light luminance is 117 lux. When covered, it is 9 lux. When I remove my hand, it comes back to normal. So let's put the sensor drone inside the Ziploc bag. The altitude is still 185 meters. Now we're going to use this air pump to pump the air inside the Ziploc bag and see how the altitude changes. You can see that as I pumped in the gas to the Ziploc bag, the pressure has increased. The altitude has decreased from 185 meters to 57 meters. We can see this again. So the pressure has increased by a very high amount to more than 100,000, and the altitude decreased to almost 39 meters. When we stop, the pressure decreased back to normal and altitude increased back to 185 meters. We're now going to use the air pump as a vacuum to suck up the air from the Ziploc bag. There will be a low air pressure around the sensor drone right now, and the altitude is 185 meters normal. Right now we have 185 meters. When it sucks up the air, we can see the altitude increased to about 361 meters. We can say the attacker can change the tightness of the plastic bag or let the controlled amount of air go effectively to change the altitude. Back to 185. This is how you can increase or decrease the pressure and altitude.